c'est Curly Keda. Si c'est la première fois que vous regardez cette vidéo, ça m'a dit merci avec bienvenue sur Chanel. M'a dit s'il vous plaît, like vidéo ça avec abonner sur Chanel là ou pas regret. As you can see, I have this box and I got it from Naturally Maddie shop by Naturally Maddie, and now we're gonna see what's inside of this box together. Now first, here we have there's some lollipops. I love lollipops, and they're rainbow. I love them. And now we have a Naturally Maddie nourishing and hydrating deep conditioner. And we have another one. This bag is really pretty. It is pink and it has gold roses. And in here, we got a Naturally Maddie scalp simulating shampoo with rosemary and peppermint. And now we have a Naturally Maddie scalp simulating conditioner with rosemary and peppermint. Now inside of this big, beautiful, luxurious pink bag, we have a Naturally Maddie stimulating hair growth oil. And I love the presentation of this bottle because it is really, really beautiful. And it'll be so easy for me to put it in my hair. Oh, and we have another one. Awesome. In this box, look, it's a card from Naturally Maddie. It says, "Hey sis, thank you so much for your support. Enjoy, XOXO Maddie." Oh, that's so sweet of her. And on the front it says, "Please tag us and follow us on Instagram at naturally_Maddie and on YouTube at Naturally Maddie and at Naturally Wissy Maddie." I'll put her website's link in the description box below so you can get your hair products in the mail. This is my little brother, and his name's Caleb. He's really silly. Oubliez, follow-moi sur Instagram at curly_Keda, sur TikTok at Curly Keda, sur Facebook at Curly Keda. Thanks, Curly. Messy Curlies. Bye-bye.